Rainfall and cloud formation are fascinating natural phenomena. The process starts with the evaporation of water from various sources such as oceans, lakes, and rivers. As the sun's heat causes the water to evaporate, it transforms into invisible water vapor in the atmosphere. Once in the atmosphere, the warm air carrying the water vapor rises. As the air ascends, it cools down, causing the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets around particles like dust or salt. These droplets cluster together to form visible clouds. Clouds come in different shapes and sizes, ranging from fluffy cumulus clouds to smooth stratus clouds.